One UI6 is here for Galaxy Watch 6, and this update is now also rolling out for Galaxy Watch 5 and 4. In this video, I'll discuss 5 features of One UI6 on Galaxy Watch 6, 5, and 4. First of all, we are getting workout routines. This is a brand new option available in the Samsung Health app. Simply go to Samsung Health on your Galaxy Watch, tap on Workout, and swipe left. You will see an option that says Add. Tap it and choose Create Workout Routine. You can add a warm-up before exercise, and there will be a cool-down time. You can also create this workout routine from your Galaxy phone. Note that there is no multi-sport exercise feature here with One UI6 on Galaxy Watch 6, which is available on Galaxy Watch Ultra. Next, we are officially getting those watch faces from Galaxy Watch 7. For that, go to the Wearable app on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Tap on Watch Faces, and you will see a banner that says Featured Watch Faces. Tap it, and now you can download Spatial numbers, Simple Digital, and Ultra Analog Watch Face. Not all watch faces are available like the Ultra Analog Watch Face from Galaxy Watch Ultra, but you can download a cool alternative that looks similar. This face is available for free on the Google Play Store. The link will be in the description. Next, we are getting the suggested or smart replies feature on Galaxy Watch 6 with this update. Now AI will write a reply for you based on the message you receive. This will be handy when you are driving or during a workout. You don't need to enable any option on your Galaxy Watch. Just make sure you have a compatible Galaxy phone running on One UI 6.1. Go to Settings on your phone, tap on Galaxy AI, choose the Suggested Replies option, and ensure it is turned on. The double pinch gesture is also making its way to Galaxy Watch 6. Simply double pinch to pick up a call and double pinch to end a call. For this, go to Settings on your Galaxy Watch, tap on Buttons and Gestures, scroll down and choose double pinch under Gestures. Turn this option on and try it to see how it works. Energy score is like your body's battery indicator. It shows a combination of your daily activity and sleep to give an overall score out of 100. If the score is low, you'll get a notification suggesting you take some rest. This option is enabled by default after the update. Add a tile of energy score on your Samsung Galaxy Watch. We also have a new tile that shows 2 clocks simultaneously, which is useful for frequent travelers. In the end, we are getting some UI changes, like a redesigned quick settings panel. There are many new animations with One UI 6 for Galaxy Watch. This update is much better than One UI 5 and makes a noticeable difference. There is no major lag or battery drain. If you face any lag or battery drain, clear the cache of your Galaxy Watch. A video tutorial is linked in the description. That's all for today's episode. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.